Captions have become one of the most important parts of modern video editing in 2026. They improve accessibility, increase viewer retention, and help people watch videos even without sound. And Adobe Premiere Pro now includes powerful automatic caption tools that can generate subtitles using AI speech recognition. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to use auto captions in Premiere Pro step by step. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create or load the project you want to edit. Now import the video clip that contains the speech or dialogue you want to caption. Drag the clip onto the timeline to create a sequence. To generate captions automatically, open the text workspace inside Premiere Pro. And honestly, clean and readable captions usually perform much better than overly flashy subtitle styles. Clarity and timing matter most for viewer retention. And that's your full guide on how to use auto captions in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to generate subtitles faster and improve viewer engagement using Premiere Pro.